Hi, Silver Falls parents and students. This little clip is about Google Meets and how to get your student on to the live classes for distance learning. So, what is Google Meet? It's a video conferencing tool provided by Google, and it works really well because all of our students do have Google accounts. And it is a pretty great free tool to have online classes. So logging into a Meet, you need to use the Chrome browser and have your students log into their Silver Falls School District Google account. And if you don't know their Google account, please contact your child's teacher or their school. Then you're going to type in meet.google.com into the address bar at the top of your browser, and you'll go to a screen that looks like this. So to join the Meet, you just need to simply click on Join or Start a Meeting, and then you enter the meeting nickname that was provided by your teacher. Once you click on Join, it will take you to this screen, and we're going to click on Join Now. Some cool features that we're using are the grid view that allows you to see everybody in little boxes, the nod extension that allows you to raise your hand, the chat, and the closed captioning. Another cool feature that is on Meets is the chat feature. And if you are with younger students, please make sure that you are beside them and they are chatting responsibly and staying on topic. And if you have older students, please remind them of the chat etiquette. Another feature in Google Meets is to turn on the captions. So if your child has trouble hearing, or they want to see the words across, they can click on Turn on Captions, and it picks up exactly what you say and shows it right across the screen. Another great feature too is the nod extension that we have in Meets, and this allows your student to give thumbs up, well done, all these little emotions right here. And then it also allows you to raise your hand so your teacher knows that you need help. So one thing that you want to make sure when you are in a meeting with a bunch of students is that your microphone is turned off until your teacher is ready for you to talk. So just like in class, you need to raise your hand, and you can raise your hand by clicking on that little guy in the upper left-hand corner. And this button right here is to turn your camera off and on. All right. To end your call, or to leave the call, you just click on the red hang up button, and then you can leave the meeting.